So, next problem tayo mga kabadis, no? The age of the mother and her daughter are 45 and 5 years respectively. How many years will the mother be 3 times as old as her daughter? So, kakaiba naman to, no? So, ganun para lagay natin. Let M mother then daughter S. Guys, kanya-kanya tayong paraan na pagsasolve. Kung ayaw nyo gumawa na ng mga ganitong table, okay lang naman. Para sa akin kasi, mas madali lang siya. Para i-represent yung past, present, and future. Minsan, di natin nagagamit ng table. Depende sa problem. Pero ako, nasanay lang kasi akong ginagamit to. So, lagyan natin itong 45 dito. As a mother. Tapos sa daughter is 5 years. How many years will the mother be 3 times as old as her daughter? So, mag-let lang tayo. Let X be the number of years. So, pwede natin siyang ilagay sa future. Pwede natin ilagay dito na 45 plus X, 5 plus X. Yan. So, ang tinatanong dito, ilang taon daw bago yung nanay ay maging 3 times as old as her daughter. So, mag-ano lang tayo ng 45 plus X is equal to 3 times ng, yan na. Yan na yung pinaka-equation natin, guys. Makakapag-solve na tayo ng X dyan. So, 45 plus X is equal to 15 plus 3X. So, magiging 30 is equal to 2X. So, X is equal to 15 years. Yan na yung taon na kung saan yung nanay ay magiging 3 times as old as nung anak. I believe letter C siya. Yan. Mukha lang siya mahirap, no? Pero madali lang siya. Basta malaking tulong din talaga yung gumagawa ka ng table para ma-represent mo. Okay, next problem. So, wala pala. Lagay lang tayo ng problem, guys. Okay. Ang famous na si Mary. So, lumabas daw ito ng ECE Boards, November 1995, no? Actually, ginamit din itong example sa mga various review center talaga. So, si Mary, walang katapos ang Mary. So, Mary is 24 years old. Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. How old is Anna? Okay. Start pa rin natin. Same ano pa rin. So, let si Mary, IM, designate natin na SM. Si Anna, as A. Lagay pa rin tayo ng past, present, future. Okay. So, may given na. Si Mary daw 24 years old. So, makukumpleto natin table. Lagay mo na 24. Si Anna, hindi natin alam. So, wala rin tayong past, no? So, pwede natin lagay na 24 minus x to a minus x. So, yung x is yung x ay x years ago. So, di naman siya binigay. So, then, pag binasa natin ng problem, wala naman pinapahiwatig na may future siya. Kung leave it be. Pero pwede natin lagay din na 24 plus y. So, ang y naman represented as y years later. Okay, ganyan. So, statement 1. Mary is 12 as, ito muna unahin nyo guys. Ito yung ituring natin na statement 1, na statement 1. Yan, yung may red na, sorry. Yung may red na bracket. Statement 1. Mary is twice as old as Anna was. Ibig sabihin nito, si Mary daw is twice as old nung dating edad ni Anna. Kasi may was eh. Tatandaan nyo rin itong guys sa mga past tense. So, ulitin natin na Mary is twice as old. Si Mary daw, yung present age kasi is present. Yung present age ni Mary ay twice nung edad ni Anna dati. So, ibig sabihin, based sa statement na yan, Mary is, okay, black na lang. Twice as old as Anna was. Ano ba yung edad ni Anna dati? And the a minus x, 24 is equal to twice a minus x. Equation 1. Next, statement 2. When Mary was as old as Anna is now. Paano naman to? Ito naman yung statement 2. Si Mary daw, dati, was as old as Anna is now. Yung dating edad ni Mary, which is yung 24 minus x, ay parang lumalabas, ay katulad ng edad ni Anna ngayon, which is yung A. Nagigets ba guys? Mary was as old. Yung dating edad ni Anna, kasi past may was, ay katulad daw nung edad ni Anna ngayon, which is yung A. So, yan na. 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Pwede ka recta substitution. So, ay na, 24 minus x is equal to ano. So, substitute mo na dito. 24 is equal to twice 24 minus x. So, 24 is equal to 48 minus 2x minus 2x. So, magiging ilan yun? 4x. So, 4x is equal to 24. 24 divided by 4 is ilan guys? Kalkuhin natin. Tandaan nyo pag engineering guys, walang sure. So, kinakalkyo yan. 6. Yung palang x na hinahanap natin, 6 years ago. Pero hindi yan ang tinatanong. Tinatanong, how old is Anna? Eh dito, 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 years old is equal to Anna. Yan na edad ni Anna. One point sa board exam guys, pag sasama to. So, ayan. Pag mag-solve kayo lagi ng age problem bodies, make a table. Then, para sa akin, gawin nyo rin tong statement. First statement yung gawin yung equation. Then, tandaan nyo lang lagi itong was, is, yan. Actually, itong problem na to maraming, dati may sa review center namin, pinakita rin na may isang siyang solution na pwedeng 16, no? Pero 18 talaga ang sagot dyan. So, for upcoming problems, guys, no? So, click the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future videos natin. So, meron pa tayo siguro mga dalawang problems. Kasama dun yung tinatanong kung ilan sila sa pamilya. So, medyo madugong age problem. So, ayan. Good luck, engineers.